Hi. Electric cars came a long way in the last few years, but they all have one flaw: their range. My name is George and I've designed a recharging system for an electric car while it's in motion. All my design and work has been based off of the Tesla Model S platform. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've heard this before. But the difference is my system works two ways: highway and city driving. In city driving, when the car is stopped, all onboard systems will run off the battery. But once the car is in motion, my system will start powering all onboard systems, helping to stop unnecessary drain with the battery and extending its life. Now, highway. This is when my system can work at its fullest potential, turning itself on and off when the battery needs to be charged, and again, running all onboard systems. Now, I'm not saying that my system can make the car run forever, and I do understand battery drain. But with the right R&D and new technology in battery, I think together we can achieve the goal in making electric cars go further than it does today. If you want more information on my recharging system for an electric car, please send me an email at changethecharge@gmail.com, and together we can truly change the way we charge our cars forever. Thank you.